I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone! Welcome po tayo dito sa in-depth reading. So medyo mahaba-haba ito ha. At medyo komplikado din dahil we will be using 3 different cards. One is the Hermit, one is Oracle, and one is the Tarot card. No? So I want you to know that this is a general reading and you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito. Baka konti lang. Take what's only yours, no? Ang daming nangyayari ngayon, especially itong planetary alignment na ito. Ang nakikita kasi natin, parang there's a lot of confusions, no? Tingnan natin. Is there someone else? So, chances are, ngayon si person parang napapraning ba, no? It's either selos, it's either kung wala naman na kayo, wala pa naman dito yung tarot cards, so these are just the, sabihin nating core, no, ng mga nangyayari. So parang may selos dito. Merong mga tamang hinala, no? Meron din naman sigurong fact na nangyayari, pero uncertain. So siguro tayo, nagpapakita tayo ng mga posts, no? That we are actually moving forward, that we are moving on, that we are already happy without our person. So the ghost of the pumpkin patch. I think that we parang nag-focus tayo kung ano na lang yung meron sa atin kesa doon sa mga wala, no? Siguro ang perspective natin sa buhay ngayon is kung ano yung nagwo-work sa akin. Bakit ko lulunurin, no, ang sarili ko sa pain? Bakit ko lulunurin ang sarili ko sa mga bagay na nagpapadepress sa akin? Carnivorous flower fairy. So, I think that for a few numbers of you, meron ditong mga bagay-bagay na ine-elevate natin ang ating sarili. It can be aesthetics, no? It can be our mind, no? It can be our soul. So, since nung wala si person, ikaw, nag-focus ka sa sarili mo, hindi mo na tinitingnan yung mga negativities, yung iba, no, nagpa-gupit, pakulay, nag-gym, nagpataba, to the extent of, going under the knife. Something in you is changing and you feel like, I need to. Not for my person, but for myself, no? Yung iba naman, nagbabasa ng libro, may bagong mga gustong matutunan, may bagong hobby, manood ng Babaylan TV, no? Yung iba naman is nakuha yung peace sa puso niya, sa isip niya, sa pagdadasal. Lady with a boshed egg. So parang ang nakikita natin dito, um, ang ating kino-cultivate ngayon is a version of us that your person haven't seen yet, and probably a version of us that probably we want to achieve, no? Nung nandyan pa siya, hindi natin nagagawa. Or matagal na natin itong plan, pero wala tayong time kasi umikot nga, no, itong ating mundo sa isang tao. Wow, the Four of Cups. Nandun pa rin yung emotion. Nandun pa rin yung love. Nandun pa din yung sinasabi natin, sige, may kirot, may time na hindi ako nakakatulog-tulog. Pero with the Four of Cups, no, parang mas tinitignan mo ngayon yung future kahit na nakalatag nga yung pain. That makes sense. So, we are very aligned dito sa Oracle card kasi mas kahit nandun yung pain, hindi mo tinatakbuhan ha. And hopefully, no, walang tumatakbo sa pain. Kasi yan ang karamihan na ginagawa ng tao, no? Kapag may sakit, kapag masakit ang damdamin niya, they run from it. Pero bakit ganun, no? Kasi pain is also an emotion, 'di ba? Kapag happy ka, damang-dama mo, no? Kapag excited ka, damang-dama mo, no? Pain is an emotion and it should be felt. So, and parang yun kasi ang pinaka-base for you to heal. So, for a few numbers of you na parang dinidisregard yung pain, you know, sometimes pain can really help and help us grow. Lalo na kung nandito, no, yung iyong goal, baguhin ang perception mo sa buhay, baguhin mo yung sarili mo, pagdadaanan mo talaga to, no? Pero, this is just a path, no? Path lang ito ng iyong journey. Hindi ito bakasyonan, okay? Pagdadaanan. Meron kasi din na napapansin ko, iba sa inyo, ginawang bakasyonan ito, no? Masokista ba kayo? Dahil nandun na yung pain, hala, parang yung iba 10 years na, uy, hindi ka pa naka-move forward, no? So, that's okay. Hindi natin dinidisregard and wag nating i-disregard yung pace. Pero I don't think kung sobrang tagal na niya, it's reasonable, no? It's okay to feel the pain. Pero sa ngayon, medyo siguro sabi mo, nandyan yan, pero sa future muna ako. Wala naman din tayong problema doon. If that is your coping mechanism, if that would really help you, no, to grow, at kung kilala mo yung sarili mo na you can jump from that, so be it. Wag lang sanang mag-pile up, no? Dahil pag nag-pile up yung pain from the past, tapos merong nasundan, and you're disregarding that, baka sumabog tayo, no? The Sun. Actually, ito nga yung sinasabi natin eh. Ito kasi nagiging blockage, which is really hindi masamang mag-look forward sa future ha. Again, sinasabi ko, dapat meron tayong mga plans. Pero ang tumakbo sa pain, I feel like hindi ito nakakatulong. Kasi this is supposed to be a good card, but this becomes a blockage to your healing. Let's see. Baka we are in denial. Well, part of part of grief, no, denial. Baka nandun ka naman sa stage ngayon, di ba? Pain, denial, I forgot, rejections, no, and then healing. So, baka naman nandun ka dun sa part ng healing. Pero kung matagal na, I feel like hindi ito reasonable nga, katulad ng sinabi ko. The Lovers. Ang taas kasi ng expectations natin. And wala rin namang masama kung mataas ang expectations mo sa love. No? Ang masakit lang dito, it's because of hindi siya nangyari. So, kumbaga sinugal mo kasi lahat na, no? Pati pamato, no? For a few numbers of you, baka naman din kasi dumating sa part na siya yung nakauna sa'yo, no? And you know what I'm talking about. Pwede itong pag-usapan dito sa YouTube. Basta walang garapal. And huwag kayong mag-alala kasi naka-restrict tayo sa 18 years and below. So lahat ng nakakapanood nito, adult na. Kapag napanood pa doon ng bata, may problema doon yung napahawak ng phone, okay? Kasi meron tong restrictions. So you know what I mean. Kapag siya yung nakauna sa inyo when it comes to sex, lalo na, no? Medyo nakakapanghinayang talaga, no? Pwedeng siya din yung naunang magmahal or mahalin mo ng ganito. So parang ang daming dumaan na tao sa buhay ko. Sa'yo ko itinodo, no? Tapos ito yung mangyayari. So with the Six of Wands, yeah, it could have been a good news and a Page of Pentacles. That makes sense. You were stuck in a situation. I think that these are all realizations of you. Kasi this is in your heart space. Parang sinasabi natin dito, baka kaya pa, meron pa. Sayang kasi, no? Sayang kasi itong time, energy, effort na binigay ko. So, baka merong pang pag-asa. Walang masama din humawak sa pag-asa. Pero dapat meron din tayong realizations of if this is the end, we should move forward. Kasi, alam mo, lugi tayo eh. Yung tao, masaya na. Nagmo-move forward na. Isn't it fair na yung nanakit sa'yo, siya pa yung masaya? And I feel like meron din tayong contribution sa sarili natin why we're feeling the pain because we chooses to be stuck in a situation. Alright? Huwag mong gawin sa sarili mo yan dahil it's really unfair. Masaya na yung tao, ikaw hindi ayaw mo pang sumaya. So parang feeling natin ang may problema ay tayo na nun, no? So let's see here from the past, the Two of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Four of Pentacles. Actually, siguro ayaw mo naman siya nung una or hindi ka ganun ka in love. There's just something in here that your person probably showed that we were enticed. It can be the looks, it can be their status in life, it can be their mind, no? Kasi meron talaga din mga tao na nai-in love doon sa paano mag-isip yung tao, no? So, baka matalino, no? Ang nakikita kasi natin dito, probably hindi siya yung nandun sa bucket list mo or hindi siya nandun sa checklist mo. Hindi siya yung ideal person. So parang sinabi mo nga dito, may realization coming from you. Nabudol ba ako nito? Kasi parang either less or talagang wala, no? Yung ideal na nararamdaman ko sa kanya. Or hindi siya yung ideal na hinagap ko, no? Or nahagap ko or I dreamt of. It just suddenly happened. With the Princess of Swords, ayan na tayo. The Knight of Wands and the Six of Swords. Uy, wow. We're really talking about you. Actually, si person medyo nagmo-move forward na. And we are somehow not really spying. We're just curious, okay? We're just curious the whereabouts. Are we just starting ourselves here? Let's see. Are we? Or is there really a chance, no? Oy, wag niyong munang sabihin na I'm attacking you, ha? First of all, hindi ko hindi ko kayo kilala in person, no? Yung iba nakakausap ko sa comment section. Yung iba nakakausap ko yung sa DMs, no? Ah, pero wag niyong isipin na I'm attacking you. Kakampi niyo ako dito. I'm just reading the cards and I am just interpreting, no, the energy. Let's see here, as in not so distant future. Hmm. So tama ka. The Hierophant. There will be reconciliations in here. Um, but I want to know the reconciliation is if this will just be a civil, becoming friends, or are you going to be a lover again? With the Ace of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles. Ah, I think na pag nagkita kayo, lalo na doon sa mga, this is general, alright? Kung wala kayong experience, di wala kayong experience, no? Sa sex. Pero I feel like, nandito yung, dadating yung time na, once you meet, magkakayayaan kayo nito uli, no? For sex. And it kind of make me feel, because the Ace of Wands in here is a phallic card. So this signifies a makeup sex. And sabi nung iba, hindi sa nagmamalinis ako ha. Sabi nung iba, masarap daw yung makeup sex. Yeah, probably because of nandun yung na-miss nyo yung isa't isa. Dahil meron kayong galit sa isa't isa din, baka na ilalabas nyo doon, no, nagkakagatan kayo, or what. Kasi for me, every encounter is special. So, hindi sa akin maano yung or baka kasi wala naman pa akong binalikan, no? So, kaya hindi ko pa siya na-feel. Pero ang sabi nga nila, no, and I don't want to disregard that kasi madami na rin nagsabi, no, makeup sex is very passionate. And I feel like you will jump for joy. Not because of the sex per se, but because of the emotion, the fulfillment, parang someone filled or the person filled the void. Ang isa siguro dito yung kung sino yung nanakit sa'yo, siya yung nag-heal, no? Kung sino yung nanakit sa'yo, siya yung nagbigay din ng pag-ibig, no? Or pinagaling ka ng kanyang pag-ibig. So, and I feel like yun muna yung mangyayari bago magkaroon ng constant communication. Alright? And again, wag niyong ipilit kapag hindi po sa inyo yung reading, wag niyong ipilit yung sa inyo tas ako aawayin ninyo. Again, this is general. Kung gusto niyo magpabook kayo ng personal reading para sa inyo lang yung reading, kasi may mga nang-aaway sa akin na hindi naman yun yung nangyari. Obviously, binanggit ko ba yung pangalan nyo? No. Kapag binanggit ko yung pangalan mo dito, then that's yours. No. Pero if it's general, wag ha. Kung ano lang yung nagre-resonate. The Two of Swords. The Eight of Cups. Hindi tayo makamove forward, no? And the Judgment. Pero, nandun din yung thoughts. Nandun din yung thoughts natin na what if kung bumalik siya? Kasi ang hirap, and I understand, no, na mahirap bumitaw sa isang relasyon kapag binigay mo na talaga ang lahat. Especially if you place the person in a pedestal with the star. I am seeing in here na you're praying, you're wishing somewhat, no? Maybe it is conscious, subconscious, it doesn't matter. Alam mo sa puso mo na there will be or there are times, no, na masakit talaga siya. There are times in your life na sinabi mo, hopefully, no, sana bumalik siya. The Hermit. The Moon card, I love the Hermit showed up. And the combinations of the Three of Pentacles, the Moon card, and the Hermit. Kasi sinasabi dito na clarity, There may also be a lot of discussions about what really happened. Um, yeah, clearance is here. Pwedeng clearance sale, what have you. No clearance, clarity. Masasagot yung mga naging katanungan mo from the past. Um, Masasagot din, no? Itong tanong mo sa sarili mo, am I going to trust this person again? Um, am I going to move forward and not continue this anymore? Kasi dun mo yan mararamdaman kapag may nangyari na ulit sa inyo, no? Parang sinasabi mo na, ito yung kantang ano, I remember the boy, but I don't remember the feeling anymore. Pwedeng ganon, no? Or baka dun mo mararamdaman itong, shit, mas mahal ko pala siya talaga up until now. Or mas nag-deepen pa itong emotion, no? So with the Four of Swords, Princess of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. I feel like itong relasyon na ito, kahit gano'n na katagal, hindi kayo nakikita or nag-uusap, parang hindi naman talaga siya tinapon. Hindi talaga siya nag-end. Hindi talaga ito yung relationship na sinasabi nating I placed a period on that. Yeah, you can probably say it to yourself, pero once you already crossed the bridge and saw the person, I feel like nagpahinga lang. And I feel like your person is going to really work on it to prove that they deserved the chance, no? Let's see here. Let's see. The Ten of Swords. Uy. The Three of Chalice. The Nine of Swords. So hati kayo, no, mga subscribers, followers. Kasi ang hirap sa YouTube, subscribers. Sa Facebook, followers. At saka sa TikTok, no. Kasi iba ang subscriber sa Facebook Well, anyway, part of these group, no, part of you, let's say, mas more ito yung higher percentage ng nakikita ko is mag-e-end itong pain. Well, actually both. Mag-e-end naman talaga yung pain. Pero mas mapapalitan ito ng being with the person, removing all those sleepless nights kasi your person is going to prove nga that they deserve a chance. And then with the Three of Chalice, parang you're going to celebrate, no? Celebrate things, celebrate, meeting the person again, celebrating this reconciliation. For a small percentage of you, probably not really going to trust the person, parang nag-iba ang nararamdaman and they feel more happy dito sa kanilang sarili and dun niya napoprove, no? One thing's for sure, the entire flow of this is the clarity. Nasagot ang mga tanong mo once you met the person and had an intimate moments with them. Intimacy doesn't always have to be sex, no? Sometimes intimacy for other people can just be holding hands, having a conversation, no, intimate conversation. Yun nga yung tinatawag nating intellectual intercourse. Ayan. So, in Tagalog, para siyang kantutan ng isip, no? So, parang, I'm juicing out something from you and I'm learning something from it and I am doing the same, no? So, yun yung intellectual intercourse. So, clarity. Let's see what is the message from the universe. So, this is something new, A message from the universe. Ooh! There's a jumper. Siyempre, Pinoy tayo. May talent ang ating paa. Ayan. This is Queen of Pentacles. Uy, the Ten of Wands. And the Devil card. Oh. Since doon sa mga tatanggap, no, kay person, kasi your person is going to be submissive. Your person is going to be parang oo, dahil siya'y merong kasalanan before, parang ibibigay niya sa iyo yung manibela. Okay, you go drive the connection. I'll just be sitting here beside you to wherever you want to put this connection, no? Baka naman kasi ma-abuse natin porket ganun si person na unknowingly baka kasi maisip niya ay gumaganti pala to, no? And I hope that we cannot or we don't hindi siya sumagi. Ba't ko ba sinabi? Ngayon nagka-idea kayo. Pero I know na matalino kayo, no? And you don't want hindi rin eh. Kasi sa mga comment section nyo, no, nakikita ko deserve niya, blah, 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 blah. Wala namang problema doon. Pero, again, that's your life. If you want to make bawi, probably you can do it. Doon sa mga mag-move forward na and na-realize itong iba na pala, no? Hindi ko na pala siya ganun kamahal. So, yung closure, I feel like baligtad na mangyayari. So, I feel like your person is going to bring the pain yung sa'yo panandalian eh. Kasi nandun ka na sa healing eh. Pero I feel like yung hindi mo man sinasadya, but you're going to bring such trauma, no, to your person. Dahil nasaktan ka niya. Ayaw mo man, ayaw ka na mag-stay sa relationship. So, dahil ba sa awa, mag-i-stay ako? Paano naman yung kasiyahan ko? 'Di ba? We cannot also blame those person who wants to move forward, no? But, this is the reading. Oy, i-check pala natin yung zodiac sign. So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or placement in their chart. So, pwedeng nandito din ang yung zodiac sign. Pero bago yan, kung gusto nyo pong magtanong sa ating sa mga readings, no, there's a link sa description box. Click the link, you'll be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information. Follow the instruction. Kapag nag-DM naman kayo sa akin sa Facebook, meron doon mga pop-up. So, tingnan nyo kasi yung mga pop-up. Nandun na yung mga details. So, yung mga pop-ups na yon was there for a reason, no? So, pag sinabi nyo, I want to ask a question, may magpa-pop up na doon na yung form. So, just follow it, no? Para makasave tayo ng time. Madami po tayo kasing ginagawa. Nag-reading, nag-record, may personal reading, syempre tao din tayo, natutulog, kumakain, I have mundane things to do. Naglalaba, nagluluto, ayan. So, follow nyo lang yung instructions, no? So, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1, and if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box. Huwag na nating patagalin. I am seeing Capricorn, Aquarius. I am seeing Pisces. Virgo is here. Gemini is here. Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra, Leo, Cancer. Did I just said Scorpio? Yeah. So, ayan. So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.